My name is Carly Morris. Today I'm going to talk to you about ClassDojo. ClassDojo is a powerful behavior management and communication platform for classrooms. This app is 100% free. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go onto google.com. In the browser, type in www.classdojo.com, click enter. This leads you to the website. If you already have an account, you can click login. If you don't have an account, you can click sign up. I have an account, so I'm going to log in, and I'm going to log in as a teacher. Here's my account information. I'm going to click log in. Okay, this leads me to a page where I can create my class. So I'm going to click new class. I'm going to put in my class name, 4th grade, put in my year, 4th grade, and click create class. Now you can start putting in your students. So I'm going to click on Add Students. You can either copy and paste your whole student list or put in students' names individually. So I'm going to put in my students' names individually. So I'm just going to do a couple to show you what it looks like. And one more. So here are my students. I'm going to click Save. So each student has their own avatar. The first feature I want to show you is how you can give students points for exhibiting good behaviors, and you can take away students points for showing negative behaviors. So I'm going to click on a student, and these are the skills that they already have to give you, and you can add some on your own. So I'm going to click on Add Skill. A couple of my students have IEP goals where they need to show skills in the classroom, such as being organized. So I'm going to make that a skill. And such as turning in homework on time. So here I added 2 new positive skills. I also want to add some negative behavior skills. So one can be off task, and another is going to be disrespectful. Okay, and I want this one to be worth -1. Okay, and this one also I want to be worth -1. Save. Okay, so now I have all my skills ready for my class, and I can start giving my students points or deducting points. So Jake today showed great job participating in class, so I'm going to give him a point. Brittany showed a great job helping others. Danielle did her IEP goal of being organized, so I'm going to give her a point. And John did not do a good job being respectful, so I'm going to give him -1 point. Also, Brittany today was off task, so I'm going to give her -1. So this is how you can give students points or take them away, which really motivates students to show positive behavior in class and to participate more. The second feature I want to show is how to get parents more involved in the classroom. So what you can do is you can invite parents. So you're going to click on this button. So you can download parent invites in any of 32 languages. So if you have parents that speak English, Spanish, Chinese, you can click on their language, and then you can download their invite. And this is going to give parents a login so that they can also go into ClassDojo from their homes. They can access it through their computer, iPhone, or iPad. So I'm going to download these and give these to parents on back to school night. Once parents have their login information, they can go on and log in on their own time, and they can watch stories that I post. So I'm going to show you how to post a class story. Click on Class Story. And I want to show a picture of what my students did today in class. So I'm going to click on Add Photo. And I took a picture today of students' art and craft activity on growth mindset. So I'm going to drop that in. So here's my picture, and I'm going to write a description of what they did. So today the students learned about growth mindset and how to set goals. Post. Parents can comment or like this post, which is a great way to get parents involved in the classroom, give them a glimpse of what students are doing, and hopefully improve parent participation and support. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on ClassDojo. I hope you're inspired to use it in your own classroom. Thank you.